A quick snippet into the structure of the dollar index and what to expect today. And we have seen that the federal fund rate remains the same, and Sergeant Powell and his team are pausing rate cut at the moment, and will be depending on data for forward guidance. But at the moment, it's clear the market now have a clear directional bias that rate remains the same, and all eyes point to September next outlook. So at the moment, let's look at the structure, and we have here as SR1, SR2, SR3, break of SR level followed by a retest is going to be a long sale. So, but I'm looking at this level due to the price action we have here. We have here as demand floor 1, we have here as demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, and if price comes back here around 64, around 64.60, I expect some kind of bullish reaction at that level. A push into that level will be welcomed, and but at the moment, I think I'm seeing some 1 hour restraint. So let's look at what the 1 hour restraint, where it's coming from. The 1 hour restraint. Let's see where it's coming from. There is a strong breaker structure at this level, and at 77, but I want price to return into 63, 64, 60 for a potential reaction. And you must know that everything you know about trading is 100% probability. And as I speak to you, there is no key level that cannot be broken in this financial market. There is no key level that cannot be broken. And no one person can predict the market accurately. But what we do at Shavyfxhub is to be able to interpret the structure of the market. And does it accurately tell you where the future is going? No. If I know where the future is going, I will have no reason to talk to the public. So everything we are doing here is 100% probability. And the beauty of what we are doing and what make it a full educational series is that we pay attention to fundamental data. And I think this guy will continue to drop. I want to push. We have a stronger breaker structure at this level, and I don't know if it's going to hold at 77 level. That's 3 points away from where price is now. Price at 3 to 80, 3 to 18 to 777. That's 3 points away. But I think the ideal thing is to see price march into here. So we try to seek demand from the descending trend line we have here as SR1, SR2, SR3. So we push into the structure. It's going to give us SR4. Yes, that's what we expect. That's what we expect. And we are looking to see if that's going to be possible. If that will not be possible, that's fine. So I think at the moment, that's what I'm expecting at the moment. And let's see if that happens. The market right now, it's under bearish, intense pressure. And we have seen that the federal fund rate remains the same. And we could see more of a correction for more correction coming in for good at the moment. We could be seeing more correction coming in for good at the moment. So it's a part of what trading is all about. Sometimes we have to acknowledge it. Let's see what this level does. I'm looking at a 77 level. I do not have much confidence at that level. The reason is I want price to pull back into the structure, and let's see how market reacts so that we leverage on this buy pressure that have challenged price at 3,438. And the price action at this level seems to be strong, where we have here SR1, SR2, SR3. If we push back here at 64 level, we could see some bullish move at 64 level. So, like I said, everything we know about trading is 100% probability. But at the moment, gold is under strong bearish intense pressure, and we could continue to see that this selling will continue. And my focus is to see that price aligns with my strategy. for me to take any critical action, I want to see a push into this structure. I want a complete drain in structure, a complete drain. If we manage respect here, I want to push back here, and I want price to continue until we get back to this descending trend line, almost about 3,200, in line with this descending trend line. A lot of traders are not going to see this, but you see, pay attention, pay critical attention to every price movement. Everything market will do, market will notify you. Market never does anything without notification. For everything the market wants to do, it will give you a notification. It will tell you, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do, this is where I'm going. So it's up to you to pay attention, or up to you to just do what you like. But I think at the moment there is nothing the market does without notification. And if you look critically here, you will see also we were also notified of a potential sell at this level, where price has demonstrated here as a RS level resistance becomes support and breakout structure. And we've come here to create an SR level, support becomes resistance, breakout structure. We turn here to RT slash RS after break of structure. We had a strong resistance here, one, and the last one was at 3334, and you have seen a bearish drop. And at the moment, you see, like what I said here, we have a strong price action at this area. And I have taken a light buy idea here on a very low lot size. I do not trust this level because I want to pull back so that the market will align with this descending trend line. This is what I want to see, and oftentimes it's not like it's what I get, but I have confidence in this structure due to what price has done here. If you look at the structure, you will see that having confidence on this level might be worth it on 1 hour after we've got here as first RS level resistance becomes support and breakout structure, and we've got another structure there before breakout structure turning there to RT. After we've broken that area, it becomes our new SR level 1, RTSR level 1, RTSR level 2, RTSR level 3. It makes sense to see price returning to this place around 64.65. A push into 64.65 might call for buy reinforcement. There is a very high probability that it might call for buy reinforcement at that level. So we must pay critical attention to know that everything in trading is probability. And if at the moment buyers are looking at taking profit, honestly, there's nothing anyone can do. There's nothing anyone can do at the moment. So this is the price action at the moment, and let's hope and see if 77 is taken out. A takeout of 77 will ultimately see us continue to come down, and we see if we can get into our buy zone. If we push into our buy zone, that will be fine. That will be decent. That will be fine and decent. And let's hope that happens. So if we push back into 65, 64, I want to see that our strategy is applied at that level. So do have a good day. Shavyfxhub.